Okay guys, the floors are all done. I picked up the molding. I got nails for the molding. I use a lot of nails. I got my air compressor here. I got the gun for the nails. I got door molding, floor, base molding. I gotta clean up this mess. I got a bunch of empty boxes and all cut pieces here. This is all completed inside the spare room. So what I have left now would be to install the countertop, the sink, faucet. Sink is right there in the box. I have to trim this door. It was a little bit too long. It hit the floor. I have to order the pole cover still. I have the doorknob for the upstairs door. I'm gonna change the door upstairs. Not this one I already changed, but there's one at the top of the stairs I will change as well. I bought that. There's all the plumbing here and some tubes for the sink. And then I'm gonna start taking some of my supplies out of here because some of it I don't need anymore. I'm gonna clean up now, get rid of all of this, and start the next section, which would probably be the sink and the upstairs door, and then molding, and then we'll do a complete walkthrough with everything done. Hey guys, take a minute to give you guys a quick hack. I guess they call it a life hack, whatever it is. But you have a tube of silicone with your gun, right? And you only use, let's say, half of it or whatever. And you want to, I don't think some people put a screw in the end of it. I don't know what they have, but I just found very simply, very simply, what the hell is that? Anyway, so I have a quick life hack for you. You have a tube of silicone, you didn't use it all, right? So what do? It's gonna get dried out, you put a screw in it, a nail in it, whatever, you can't get it out, it's a pain in the ass. Well, here you go. If you have little electrical caps, if you do electricity as well, and you just take that cap, put it on the end, and thread it on. It has the threads in there, boom. You can't pull it off if you wanted to. So there you go. So there's your cap, thread it on, and you'll be good for the next time. Thread it right off. So an electrician's wire cap. Quick life hack. Hey guys, another quick idea. If you do flooring and you have, like this house, I've been doing life-proof flooring, and I just finished it, and the kitchen cabinets don't come with a toe kick. So the life-proof has 3 different size panels. The smallest panel, if you take the edge, the clip-on edge, and just slice it off with a razor, they fit perfectly underneath the cabinets. So you can use them as a toe kick. It looks pretty cool, I think, and I'll show you. I did the same at my house. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the flooring used as a fascia for the toe kick. It's much stronger than any wood or anything like that since it's vinyl. I put the molding around some of the doors today in the room. I still got to put like a 3/4 inch quarter circle all around the bottom of that room since the floor is so uneven from the concrete. You can see the spaces underneath it in some areas where the concrete isn't perfectly flat. So the quarter molding will take up that gap. I laid the sink in yesterday, cut the counter to size. I'm going to use a piece of quarter molding here as well, because the wall, the actual wall itself, as you can see, is not flat. Kind of bends out towards me. So again, you know, working with older houses, you got to improvise. That corner molding, it'll clean it up, make it look good. I don't want to block the nice tile work, of course, so we'll just use that corner molding as a little edge. Sink is cut in, just needs a little butcher block oil on it, and it'll keep it nice. Handles will come in next. Well, handles, I've got to finish up the molding in all the big rooms, sweep everything out, get all my tools out of here, and on to the next project. Let me put this door in. Okay, for those of you who've never done a pole wrap, this is I guess they call it a lolly column in a basement. It's a 3.5-inch pole holding up the top floor. So some people box around it. There's a big box around this. I got rid of it earlier in the video. And now I'm gonna wrap it with wood with a nice base and a top. And what you use is this here, it's called a pole wrap. It wraps around the pole. So I cut it to the length I needed. It comes, I think, 8 feet. I needed 6 feet. And what you do is you take it and you wrap the pole. Now, if it's too big, you gotta cut it. So what you do is you see what size you need. There. And I'm gonna cut it. I have to mark it. It's going to be right here. So we're going to take 2 pieces off. That would have been, I guess, for like a 4-inch. This is 3.5. So right here, I'm going to take 2 of these off. So we take off 2 of these sections, and you use like a PL glue in a tube, put it on here, wrap the pole, put some tape around it, and I'll show you that now. Get my razor blade and cut this. Just a regular carpenter's knife. I use a Stanley Extreme. Got a better grip. You don't have that thumb thing here that gives you a blister. So that's what I use. And then so I took off 2 sections. And now I wrap it. It should sit flush, see? Make sure everything's good. I'll put the seam on the inside. You won't see it anyway. But just in case, see if I have some of that blue masking tape to wrap it. So I'm going to use this Scott's Original Multi-Surface Painter's Tape. That way it doesn't stick to the wood, make a mess. For anyone who else is interested, that's the pole wrap. Pole wrap 3 to 3.5 inch. And that's what it's going to look like when I'm done. Use this. Now with these, in case you're a novice, right here is a cutter. I know a lot of people don't realize that. So you can cut the tip off right there. You don't need a knife. And this, that comes out the side, pokes through the inside here. See? And you just put it back. And now you're ready to glue. Here it comes. I'm going to lay it down and put PL on it. Okay, we got glue on it. PL. Oh, I forgot to put my work pants on. That's unfortunate. I'm used to wiping my glue or cork and stuff on my hands. I mean on my pants. People try to call me or text me at the most unopportune time. What? Put some tape where I have it right. Okay. So you want to get that on in a way where you can't see the seam. And I'll let you see around the pole. you'd be hard pressed to find the seam. Which is somewhere right here. I believe. So I'm going to pull this tape a little tighter. There it is. That'll do it. And if you're wondering about this part right here, you got this pole wrap ends, top and bottom. The bottom gets a double, and the top gets a single. So let's go down here for a moment. So this just basically is going to get glued down like so. And then it's going to get another one. And it's going to get doubled. Kind of like so. Pretty nice, right? And then the top gets a single. So I'll put some PL on this, put it up, and put some tape. Hold it up on the ceiling. Put some PL on it. I'm going to put the ceiling this way. And just basically put it up on the ceiling. Push it down. I'll put a piece of tape so it don't fall temporarily. And then the other side. Okay. Make it as even as possible. Push again. That's it. Okay, and we'll let that dry, and then I'll do the bottom. Try to make sure that none of the glue comes out. Good. And then we do the top one. Okay. Put a little tape to hold it together. Go. That's all there is to it. Let it dry and you got yourself a nice pole. Oh, you should get the full effect once it dries, and I take that tape off, and I can either paint it white to match the walls, or I can stain it dark color to match the floors, which I think dark would probably look a little nicer, but we'll see what the homeowners want to do once it dries. I'll give them the option. Or leave it as is even. But it looks cool. Definitely dresses up the pole. So there you go. Got an issue with a pole in your basement? Put a pole cover. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. that's all disheveled. How you doing? All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on DIY Dad. Take it easy. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Hey, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time.